Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share your notebook on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the notebooks icon down below, which is the first option. Now select a notebook from your list, click on the relevant one, and then you should tap on the three dots icon in the right side of the screen. Then click on Share Notebook, and as you can see, you have two options here. Either you can invite people to your notebook or copy the link that will direct people to your notebook. So click on the relevant one. If you tap on the first icon, invite people to notebook, then you can find people by typing in their names or email addresses into this first box at the top. And you can also indicate whether they can edit your notebook or not by clicking on this button in the right side of the screen. And if you feel like to do so, you can also include a message, but it's totally optional. So if you are done with all these information, click on the send button in the upper right corner of the screen. If you go back and tap on the second option, you can select whether you would like to allow those people who possess your link to view only, or they can view and edit your notebook as well. So as you can see, anyone with this link can see or edit the notebook you share. So click on the relevant one, and then you will be able to share your notebook. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.